Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here since October, can you believe that? I actually got a message last night from YouTube saying that I'm going to get kicked out of the YouTube partner program if I don't post some videos, so here I am. I was actually planning to come out of my usual winter hibernation. Anyway, when spring rolls around I get this new urge to craft and just chat away, and here I am again. So today I figured we'll just start off nice and easy with a little charity shop haul. So I've basically just gone around my house and I gathered up some things that I have actually picked up from the charity shop recently. I thought that would be a good video to come back to. I do want to do some little bunting pieces and maybe make a little fabric pig. I've had my eye on this little pig. It's the one by the brand Miley. Do you know the brand? You know, with the little mice. And I've got some bits from there literally for the past like 10 years. Like, I'm a big fan. But there's this pig that I want and I'm like, I could make that myself because I would like it to be a little bit fatter and a little bit different. Because in my mind I could create the most perfect pig. So I'm thinking about DIYing that as well. So if you want to see that, then definitely let me know. I'm happy to film away and just get chatting to you guys. So yeah, charity shop haul. It's mainly clothes really, because that's all I've been needing to pick up. I haven't really needed any new homeware bits. I didn't really buy anything over Christmas time because I already have so much stuff. That's usually when I would come and make most of my videos. But like I said, I just didn't need anything. I'm on a bit of a tight budget. I feel like everyone is right now. So maybe budget DIYs are the way to go at the moment. Save ourselves some pennies and yeah, we can all get doing it together. But anyway, let me know what you think. The first thing I actually picked up was this frame. Look how cute this is. Are you kidding? Those little hearts on there are like perfect. I love it. It's originally from the range. Yeah, it says produced for the range. And this cost me £1. I really like it. I thought about doing a little DIY with this for Valentine's Day, which is actually when I bought that, and it's been sat in the corner ever since with this little group of hearts. This also was £1 for 4 like good chunky hearts. I figured that's actually a really good price. See, at £1. And yeah, nice chunky real wood hearts. So I actually thought about splitting these up and like painting cute little like farm animals on there, and maybe like a little lamb for the spring, a little chicken, again a pig. I'm loving the farm animals as usual, you know me. And then I also picked up this near Valentine's Day as well. This was just a little part of the corner. I literally forgot about these things. Isn't that terrible? Because I was going to do a Valentine's Day video, but I picked up this shirt. Not really my style, and it actually has a few little holes on it, but the fabric itself is really nice. Like, do you see this up close? I will show it. These little hearts on, and I thought about just making like some placemats or something with this. I'm not sure exactly what my plan was, but I thought about making something. And it also has the cutest little heart buttons on there. Look at these. So I thought that this would be really fun to upcycle. This is actually like in a sale bin for 50p at the time. I remember it because it was so cheap. Oh, please excuse my grown out nails, they need changing. But look at the little heart buttons. Aren't they adorable? The brand just says double two. I don't actually know what that is, but I just like the fabric on it and I thought that would be fun for a DIY. Anyway, moving on to clothes that I actually bought to wear. What am I wearing today? Oh, this yellow shirt. I've had this for a while actually. I picked this up in the charity shop before. I think it was £1 or 50p or something. And there's actually a men's 3XL. Like, I could fit probably about 4 of me in here, but it's so fun to just chuck on and just, yeah, it's nice and yellow. So this shirt here, do you see this? Gorgeous. It's from Joe Brown's, size 12. It's an okay fit, and it's just kind of like this lacy detail-y on there. I like it, it's nice, but it doesn't quite fit hugging around my waist, which is what I like. Has all these like cut-out details on. Gorgeous. And maybe I should try it on. Should I try it on? I have this vest top underneath. Hold on. There we go. It's on. Oh. The thing is, it's okay, like I said, like fits well, fits nice. Boobies a bit tight. That's something that I always have with shirts because I have size E boobs. It's very annoying, but it's like this bit here, I just don't feel like that fits nicely. So like my body is in there. It's just like, yeah, I feel like this could be better. Like if it had some darts here, I think it would fit nicer. I actually bought this to wear to country, like with some jeans on. I thought that could be a bit of a vibe, but I didn't end up wearing it just because I felt like it just fit like bad here. Maybe I just need a bit of a better fit thing. It fits a lot better around the boobies without this vest top on too, but you know, it has these cutouts and YouTube isn't really the place for that. So I just feel like this would be better if it was tucked in there, you know, have a little dolly moment. Just feel like, yeah, that will look better if it was like this, and it's not. So I might resell this, I don't know. I did actually pick up a pair of jeans as well. I got that in my pile here. Now these jeans, right, these were straight leg jeans and they were a bit baggy, but I took them in and made them into flares because I needed flares for country to country, you know? And if you don't know what country to country is, by the way, it's like a music festival in London. I think they do it in Dublin. Is it Dublin? I think it's Dublin and Glasgow all at the same time. So it's a 3-day long country music event. This year was Lainey Wilson, Cody Johnson and Dirk Bentley. And yeah, like everyone dresses up as cowboys. It's so fun. If you love country music, it's literally the best event of the year. But yeah, these are the jeans. I picked these up, like I said, in a straight leg. They have all these fun design on, isn't that cool? And then I just like adjusted them so they would actually fit my body. And yeah, I know, I'm gonna try these on. This is gonna be a try on haul. This is very thing. We'll leave it on with this shirt. Right, there they go. I actually bought these jeans just from the colour of them because I needed flare jeans like 2 days before I went, and I had a top to put with them because I wanted like a full denim moment. So I bought a top from Tesco, this being the top, and I matched the denim. Like I took this to the charity shop and then I just bought some denim to kind of match that. So here are the jeans. Let me stand up somewhere. Here are the jeans. Look at these. Woo! These are fun, right? See all this detailing down them? That's cool. I like them. But like I said, these were kind of straight leg jeans. So I took them in all up the thigh, took them in like and made them into a flare and just made them fit my legs better. Here they are. Not bad, right? This is actually quite a cute outfit with this shirt. I like it. So there's those. I like them. I don't know the brand. I haven't actually got a brand in them. I just bought them blind. And whilst I was in the same shop, I picked up this jacket. So a big denim jacket. It's a men's extra large, but that fits my husband just fine. And again, it's kind of like the same. Oh no, it's a darker denim, but same vibe. You have this cord, like what do you call this? What's this called? A collar, cord collar, in a browny kind of green colour, and it's really cool. So it fits my husband like a glove, and then for me it's just like really big oversized, but I really like it. It's also like, ooh, did I pop a button there? Yep, pop a button. It's like Sherpa inside. So look at this. Right, out walking the dog. Look at me go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Now obviously this doesn't match this outfit, but here's a jacket. Cool, right? I like it. Just roll up the sleeves, just a tad, and there it goes. Isn't that so fun? I really like this. Like I said, it fits my husband perfectly, so we're able to share it. It's a win-win. And this here, it cost me £10. £10. What a bargain. I really like it. Like I said, I probably could have worn this to country actually, but yeah, it's a bit more fancy when you go there, but really like this. Really like it, £10. Now when I did buy this, don't know if I should mention this or not, there was a lady in there taking all the money, obviously, because she was the worker. And she was like, is that card or cash? And I was like, oh, it's cash, because I just had cash on me and I shouldn't have been buying new clothes really, but I had cash on me and I was like, yeah, cash. So I gave her the cash and she like looked really happy about the cash. And even my mum said like, that was a bit odd. And I was like, I know. So I gave her the cash and like she was like stood around and it was like a little bit over, like about 50p over. She didn't give me any change from the till. And then I felt a bit awkward rather than just like waiting around for my 50p. Because I think like one of them was like £9.50, one of them was £10, like the jeans and then the jacket. And I gave it to her and then she just didn't give me my change, didn't give me a receipt or anything. I was like, that's really odd. So we like kind of like left the room and me and my mum were saying, that was a bit strange. It was just the vibe off. And we turned around and she still hadn't put the money in the till, right? And then when we got to kind of like the door, so there's like windows all along so you can see back in, the lady put the money in her pocket. Like, She might have just been saving that to like put it in the till later. There might be a thing like don't put cash in the till or something, but I don't think it was. It gave me bad vibes, and that has been like played on my brain a bit. Are you supposed to report that? Because technically she's stealing from charity, isn't she? Well, she might not be. I should give her the benefit of the doubt, but I don't know. But that was the situation. What would you do if you saw that? Oh, a bit awkward. Maybe I should pay by card in the future and I think I should. But yeah, the next outfit, let's get this shirt off. The next outfit was from a different store, and this was £5 for the set, which I thought was quite good. And I bought it on a whim because I thought, oh, that could be quite nice. It's a bit out of my comfort zone, but you know, we'll make it work. We got a concert coming up. And I bought this back in kind of February time, knowing I had country to country to come, and it is this set. I actually seen this set full price in the store anyway. So it's this glitter set, and it's from the Frankie Bridge range in Tesco. So there we go. Do you see that? The little label on there. The top's a size 12. What size is the bottom? Size 12. Look at these, right? These are a bit of a moment. They're a bit scary looking, but I had great fun wearing them. Let me put this both on, both sets, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, here's the top, right? Look at these sleeves. Whoa, whoa, look at all that glitter. Love it. So this shirt is really big, like really big. Can you see the end there? Like, it is massive. Nice and tight on the arms apart from like the little sleeves, but then you get it, you tie it up. This is what I did when I wore it. So I just tied it up like this, had it just nice and loose, right? Cute. But the bottoms are a moment of themselves. So I wore it like a full suit. Do you see that? Like flared bottoms. Who is she? Look at those. And this was what I wore to Lainey Wilson. Like I said, I got the set for £5. So let me put those on. There we go. So that goes on, shirt goes down. Are you ready to see the full look? I'm going to stand on my fireplace again. Look at this, right? Are you kidding? Look at these. So imagine these with like big white glitter cowboy boots. I wore my corals, which are white and glittery, but yeah, look at that. Let me just move this down. Look, here. Ooh. And it's so comfy as well because it's like stretchy. I feel like I could be Lainey Wilson in this outfit. Like getting all those moves going. Like, yeah. What a vibe. £5? Are you joking? I feel like you can wear this like just loungewear, kicking around, doing the dishes, like, whoa, don't mind me, just scrub-a-dub-dubbing, sorting my life out. And yeah, that's kind of the end of the charity shop haul. All the random stuff that I've been buying. I'm thrilled with them. I haven't really bought that much because like I said, I have been on a budget because things have gone very wrong with my expected career plan. So yeah, I found myself unemployed again. And this is where I am. And I'm hoping that YouTube doesn't decide to take away my ability to be on the partner program, because that would be really sad. So please, YouTube, please don't kick me out just yet. I have plenty more to give. I think when people tell me no, I'm like, you can't tell me no. No, I've got things to prove. So yeah, I'll be back soon with some crafts and stuff, I am sure. Look at this. I might even turn up in some glittery outfits like this just for the fun of it. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you want to see, like in terms of like crafts, in terms of like videos like coming shopping with me, maybe coming to the charity shops with me. Why not? Let's do it together. Some more hauls, like let me know. I would love to just create some content with you, maybe some spend the mornings with me or something. I don't know. The world is my oyster, and hopefully YouTube doesn't take away my YouTube partner program kind of thing, because yeah, I really like it over here. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you very soon for another one, and yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.